Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and tHETA entered into the top 10 of best cryptocurrencies today. And in today's video I'm going to do some technical analysis of tHETA. We are going to review the project, the partners, news, the code updates, the NFTs hype related to tHETA, and the next steps and events of the project. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. Subscribing is free and helps me a lot, so please do it. And also join me on Twitter at CryptoCState. I am posting exclusive trade alerts only there. And leave me a comment, what are your thoughts about this project? And also comment me in the video if you want me to do any coin review, project or topic review. I will consider all your opinions for further videos. Without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, while all the crypto market has been down from the last day and a half, the last 2 days, tHETA has been entering into the top cryptocurrencies of CoinMarketCap. Right now we are in position 9 with $13 billion of market cap. And like many other coins, tHETA have been exploding from the last of December. From the 1st of December at 61 cents, we already have been did more than 10x already. Let's do some technical analysis. First of all, tHETA against Bitcoin. Well, the first sign of life into the price action, how we can see here, was in May of 2020 when we get this peak around this section. And from there we have been in consolidation price. We hit again that target where I put this rectangle as resistance. Then we hit it again all over 2020 until 1st of January of 2021. And like we said, with many coins, December was the starting of an altcoin season. And then we hit 3 more times this section around the 7415 point. And from there, it has been parabolic against Bitcoin. So from the last 3 months, I would say that tHETA has been outperforming Bitcoin. We are right now in this parabolic trend, and this is not the time to enter a position here because we should see some pullbacks here on the short term, probably. We are already overextended on the stochastic RSI, which is a momentum indicator, and the same with the RSI. We are already at 90 on the RSI. We are seeing daily candles, and that is a lot. And if we check with MACD and other indicators, the common indicators, we can see that we are overextended, and this should have a correction on the short medium term. I would say that some consolidation around the golden pocket, that will be ideal because we have a big run. So if we measure from here until here, that will be a 44%. You could consider that is a lot maybe. But this run has already been more than 100%, so it will be no real to come back and test these levels, which are also our little consolidation that we have here. We never should enter into a position in the top of a green candle like this one. So probably you need to wait where we're going to retrace, maybe 0.382, and from there down on the Fibonacci resistance levels, and you need to wait some consolidation price before enter a position if you are trying to hold. If we check tHETA against USDT, basically US dollar, we are in the same situation, not much with the price action until December. From there we can see that we created this kind of consolidation patterns on each new level. We were in this channel from a while. Once we broke that, we enter into another channel, I would say. We held support the previous all-time high. We make a new all-time high, then we tested as support again. And we have been doing that in each of these small rallies that tHETA have been. And right now we are parabolic. But again, you can see this curve. We have been parabolic from the last 3-4 months. So probably we will need to check, like with tHETA against BTC, we need to see where are going to consolidate after this big pump. We are already overextended on the other side, and you can see what happened each time that happened. After a very big move to the upside, we consolidate or go down, and that happened all the time. So probably it's not the time to buy, it's a time to sell. If you have been investing from the last months, we want to enter into the best position, a best moment to enter long term into theta. But what is theta? Well, basically it's a decentralized peer-to-peer video blockchain platform and a new native blockchain powered by users. Basically it's similar like BitTorrent, for example, where you share files between users. In this case, you can share your bandwidth, so the streaming platforms can work better, and you will be rewarded of sharing your bandwidth from your computer or device. But basically, the viewers are rewarded with theta full, which is another cryptocurrency coin, for sharing excess bandwidth and resources, and viewers are now rewarded to participate in the network. They have a higher quality, smoother video streaming. A decentralized peer-to-peer network delivers streams efficiently globally and reduces cost of delivering video streamings. But let's check for this video to have more clarity about what theta is.
Technology today is amazing, but somehow streaming quality and load times are still terrible. Everyone has a computer with extra bandwidth to spare, especially when a machine's not being used. And now you can make money by putting that bandwidth to use thanks to Theta Token. Here's how it works. When you're watching your favorite streamer or when you're asleep, Theta Client will tap into your extra bandwidth to relay video streams to local viewers. They'll enjoy improved stream quality and loading times while you earn Theta Tokens. The more you deliver, the more you earn. With your tokens, you can send donations to your favorite streamers, unlock premium content, and buy and gift virtual items. Theta is a new blockchain built by Sliver TV, a leading esports live streaming startup based in Silicon Valley that has raised more than $17 million in venture financing, has over 2 million users, and is growing quickly. Theta completed a $20 million private token sale in early 2018 and launched its live testnet in June 2018. 3 weeks after launch, over 300,000 users from 149 different countries have shared video on the Theta testnet. Over 40% bandwidth offloaded, improved quality and reach. All thanks to you, the Theta community. Theta is a native blockchain and open source infrastructure that any partner can build on. Theta Network, next generation video delivery powered by you. Visit us at thetatoken.org.
Now that we understand what is the Theta project, let's see some technical stuff. For example, the consensus that Theta used for the blockchain is called Unique Multi-BFT. This is consensus design combines a committee of 20-30 enterprise validator nodes with a second layer of 1,000 of community-run guardian nodes. So we have the enterprise validator nodes and the guardian nodes. The validator nodes propose and produce new blocks in the chain, while the guardian nodes seal blocks and act as a check on malicious or otherwise non-functional validator nodes. From December 2020, enterprise validator nodes on Theta are run by Google, Blockchain Ventures, Samsung, Binance, Gami Cryptos, and Theta Labs, with several more major enterprises in process of joining. And after Theta 2.0 launch in May 2020, Guardian node counts quickly ramp up. Currently, there are almost 1,500 Guardian nodes run by the Theta community members. The Theta blockchain mainnet enables the support for turning complete smart contracts. So with smart contracts, open a whole new set of user experience and new attribute models for the apps built on the Theta network. So we have the apps running and being created over the blockchain of Theta also. And for example, leveraging smart contracts on Theta network can enable fully digital item ownerships And here's where tHETA is also very utilized for NFTs. And for the tHETA blockchain, we have two coins that work with them. The tHETA network features a dual token design, the tHETA token, tHETA, which is the governance token of the tHETA protocol, and tHETA is used to stake as a validator or guardian node, contributing to block production and the protocol governance of the tHETA network. By staking, running a node, users will earn a proportional amount of the new T-fuel generated. There are 5 billion T-fuel at genesis of tHETA blockchain, and the supply increases annually at a fixed percentage. So it's not deflationary, it's inflationary. But with the new tHETA 3.0, which introduced a new crypto economics designed for T-fuel, in particular the concept of T-fuel staking and burning, this will greatly expand the capacity and use case of the network and maximize the utility value of T-fuel. That is why also this coin is also pumping from the last months. In terms of the updates on the code and the projects of the developers of tHETA Labs, they are very active. Also from the last 6 months they have been working a lot. There are a lot of commits, a lot of activity over the different repositories on GitHub. The main two projects here, the main two repositories are the tHETA protocol ledger, which is one of the core infrastructures of the system blockchain, and the other is the tHETA infrastructure ledger explorer. Both of them very active, a lot of developers and branches created from these repositories. We only have, for example, 11 issues in one of the repositories, which is perfectly normal. So in terms of code and developers, they are completely very active and working a lot. In terms of the community and the news, tHETA is a great project. They already have in the Twitter 100,000 followers here, and the news on the Twitter are amazing. For example, we can see here how tHETA is promoting the building on the tHETA network blockchain. They have the hackathon now with a $85,000 prize. So that will increase the amount of people and developers that will build over the blockchain. They also launched here the notice from the tHETA is going support to the bit goes live in the tHETA blockchain platform. So a lot of events running already on live stream from tHETA blockchain. And tHETA right now passes link on market capitalization and enter into the top 10 of all the cryptocurrencies list. So this was a great day for tHETA, and a lot of news regarding them. Streaming tokens surge as Bitcoin price drops to the 54,000 support. tHETA and T-Fuel have taken the lead when it comes to blockchain-based video streaming, with a dual token system enjoying astronomical growth in 2021 that continues to push the price to new all-time highs. We also can see how Cointelegraph recommends the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch on this week, and tHETA is one of them. So a lot of hype on tHETA. For example, here is not just another gas token. tHETA T-Fuel surged 700% in 5 weeks, and this has been amazing. tHETA Fuel was created when the tHETA mainnet launched in 2019, and it's designed to be the operational token of the protocol, powering on the chain operations like sending payments and deploying smart contracts. A significant difference between tHETA and another dual tokens model is holders who stake tHETA in validator and guardian nodes help to secure the network and earn T-Fuel as reward. This is very similar how Vechain and Bitor works. So you basically use Bitor to power the blockchain, and same happen here with tHETA and T-Fuel. But this is important. For example, following the launch of tHETA 3.0 in April 21, it's only 1 month ahead, token holders will be to stake T-Fuel as another way to earn passive income and help secure the network. The upgrade will also introduce a new burning mechanism that is essentially a network fee for using the tHETA Edge. This could eventually lead to a further reduction in the supply of T-Fuel and increase its price, because like I said before, right now each year it will be increasing the T-Fuel tokens, but with this system we will have a deflationary token, which make the price high. We can see also that NFT related icons hit new high after Bitcoin price rallies, and tHETA was one of the booms on the NFTs. And NFT capability helped boost token prices, and tHETA is mentioned here. tHETA performed strongly through February as the project was bolstered by the introduction of NFTs for streamers and announced partnerships that saw Sony Europe showing the tHETA blockchain validator program. So this is another of the validator nodes that we mentioned when we explained that for tHETA, and this is a big news also. And if you didn't saw my video about NFTs, please watch it. I mentioned there the investment that I did on a couple of altcoins for NFT related, and tHETA was one of that at the beginning of March and have been exploding all during March. So please watch that video if you didn't saw it. In terms of what is next for tHETA, this is the calendar of next events. We have by the end of the month the decentralized exchange on tHETA blockchain. Then for the end of March also we have the one-click delegate staking, the NFT marketplace on tHETA blockchain, and then April 21 the mainnet 3.0 launch. This is an important event and we changed a lot for the tHETA T-Fuel like we mentioned before. I think all these events will create a lot of hype, especially the mainnet. So I am not a financial advisor, this is only for entertainment purposes, but I still think that this token tHETA is still a good investment right now. Maybe like I mentioned on the chart, you need to wait when we consolidate, but I think we will have more hype on the future. After that we have on June the Line D app integration, the V2 Edge compute, which is another good and main event, the app for Ledger and Trezor that will permit to continue working and staking our tokens on the Ledger and Trezor wallets, and a lot of more things about to happen over this year. That is all for today. I still think that this is a great project with a lot of potential, and I don't see any major competitor for tHETA right now. I think they can be the project that generates this decentralization on video and streaming. And before we leave, please like, subscribe, and click the bell to get the notifications. And if you didn't saw these videos, please watch it. It's a good content. I see you in the next video.